So it's my portrait take today, and I'm very excited about this one because it's requested by the model herself, Jeromie Rahel. Stick till the end, see how I render her from an artist's perspective. Hey guys, I'm Elfoil and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I post art processes from pieces that are requested by various people. A huge thanks to Jeromie for giving me the opportunity to create this art piece. I hope that you will be pleased with the results. So, let's get started. If you like this video, please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have an art request. You can also reach me through email or Instagram. The links I have provided in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, love you all.